Right. So this question says Kevin is 45 years old and his daughter Tina is 5 years old now. In how many years will Kevin's age be 5 times the age of his daughter? Right. So we know that Kevin's age currently is 45 years old and Tina is 5 years old. We're going to make a bar that will represent Kevin's age, his current age. And this block over here will represent Tina's age. How about? Of course, this isn't an accurate measurement of the ages. We'll just say it's going to be 45 years old and Tina is 5. Right, now to do this problem, we're going to need to figure out the age difference of these two. Because we know that Tina is 5 years old and Kevin is 45. What is the age difference between these two? Right, so we can get the age difference by subtracting 5 from 45 equals 40. They have an age difference of 40 years. For 40 years, Tina will be 45. Right, and now another thing to mention is that we need to know, well, in how many years will Kevin's age be 5 times the age of his daughter? So this will be Kevin's future age. And we know that age differences will not change because both of them are going to be aging by 1 year every year. Let's not get rid of all that. All right. And now the question says, how many years will Kevin's age be 5 times the age of his daughter? So we're going to make another block. We're going to separate it into 5 parts. Since of course we need Kevin's age to be 5 times the age of his daughter. Now of course this is not perfect or equal in any way. But I do mean it to be in 5 parts. Right, so this will be Kevin's age. It will be 5 times the age of Tina's, so we'll make only one of these blocks for Tina. As we can see, 5 of these blocks will equal Kevin's age. Right, and now we know that age differences will not change over the years. The difference right here, these 4 cells, that is their difference, is still 40 years. Their age difference is 40 years. Right, so now that we know these four blocks are 40 years, how much will one block be? So we'll just go 40 divided by 4, since that's how many there are, equals 10. So we know each of these blocks will equal 10 years. So we'll just label all of them with 10. Of course, this is not perfect labeling right here. So each of these blocks is 10 years old. Right. So now we can see that Tina's age will be 10 years. If Tina's age is 10 years, then Kevin's age will be 5 times 10 equals 50. And of course, then Kevin's future age is 5 times the age of his daughter. So we know that if Tina is 10 years old, then Kevin, of course, will be 5 times the age of his daughter. We need to know in how many years will that be. So currently, Tina's 5. Just take 10, subtract 5, equals 5. So in 5 years, Tina will be 5 times the age of his daughter. And we'll write that. In 5 years, Kevin will be 5 times of daughter. Of course, we don't need a capital for that. There we go, we have the problem done.